All right, futures under pressure ahead of Tuesday's open here today. S&P futures down 1.4%, the Dow futures down 1.24%, and the Nasdaq leading the way lower at 1.79% lower. Let's take a look at some cues from last session. Energy, industrials, and real estate stocks posted the biggest gains on the S&P on Friday, while communication services and healthcare issues bucked the trend to close lower. The stocks extended negative momentum seen during the holiday break as President Trump threatens to impose escalating tariffs on Europe over the Greenland dispute, which continues to roil global markets. Meanwhile, the 10-year Treasury bond yielded 4.28%, while the 2-year bond was at 3.57%. The CME Group's Fed Watch Tool projections show the markets are pricing in a 95% likelihood of the Federal Reserve leaving the current interest rates unchanged in January. This represents no movement from the last time that we checked in together last week. Now, we do have several stocks in focus here today. The first is going to be BHP Group. That's ticker BHP. It was 1.65% lower in pre-market on Tuesday, despite lifting copper production guidance and setting new operational records in copper and iron ore for the first half of the year that ended December 31st, 2025. The next stock on our list is going to be BABA. This is Alibaba Holdings, ticker BABA. That dropped 2.35% after the Financial Times reported that TikTok owner ByteDance is launching an aggressive challenge to the company's dominance in China's cloud market using deep discounts and AI-led tools. Just when you thought that story was over, not quite. It pulls you right back. The next stock on our list here today is going to be Taiwan Semiconductor. This is ticker TSM. It declined 1.21% despite a Wall Street Journal report that the company is planning a massive expansion of its U.S. manufacturing footprint to mitigate geopolitical risks and satisfy a new trade deal with the Trump administration. The next stock on our list here is going to be United Airlines Holdings. That's ticker UAL. That was 2.26% lower as it projected to post quarterly earnings of $2.94 per share on revenue of $15.4 billion after the closing bell today. The last stock on our list here is going to be Netflix, ticker NFLX, and shares rose 0.15% ahead of its earnings scheduled to be released after the closing bell today. Analysts expect it to post quarterly earnings of 55 cents per share on revenue of $11.97 billion. Also, not mentioned here, but we also got news that Netflix looks to be amending its deal for Warner Brothers Discovery to an all-cash deal.